Howdy folks, my name's Jeff Broomfield and I am a light being. And I'm here to help make a change in the world. Your world. I stand for the betterment of all of nature and the planet, Earth, that we live on. And making a better world for all of us by raising the consciousness of the planet to a higher vibration. A vibration of pure source energy, which is love. I'm passionate about the people and the planet and the animals and the nature and living in harmony with everything all together and changing our world, expanding our consciousness so that we are all a higher vibration of love and that all of us are taken care of and that nobody suffers and that everybody's here to be happy and have a good time on this planet. And I help guide people to a place where they find out who they truly are and what is their purpose in life and identify the source of their problems, their limitations, and their barriers so that they can resolve them and live their life as their true authentic self so that they can live out their fullest potential. And we do this in an afternoon. I take you on a walking tour of your subconscious mind and connect you to your higher self for a truly mind-blowing, transformational experience. So if you want to find your passion and your purpose or whatever else that you want, give me a call, connect with me, and we'll get you there.